Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and we have a change of scenery. This is our new home. We've been working all summer to get into this home, and so I'll just give you a first preview. On July 5th, we made an offer, and on July 6th, I believe it was, they accepted our offer, and ever since then it's been the battle of trying to get the house. You know, we got all of the paperwork and all of the stuff we had to do, and sometimes we were missing out on, you know, in the emails or whatever, and then we'd find an email and it would be like, oh boy, we got to do this. And then we'd get an email and it'd say, well, we didn't get this, and it was like, well, we just sent it to you. What do you want us to do? Okay, send it again. So then we'd send it again. And finally, last Thursday, the August 18th, we closed on this house, and so the Little Whitehouse is moving to a new location, and we're bringing, see right here, this is a cool thing. We got a built-in chicken house. This is one of the biggest yay hee-haws we got from this whole thing. We're gonna have to fix this up, and we're gonna have to knock down all of these weeds, but it's a bigger house than what we had, obviously, and we were down to 3. So in June, we got 4 more, believing that we were gonna be getting a house like this somewhere. And so we got 3 that are grown, 4 that are teenagers, and the other night I went and got 10 more chicks. And so we got 10 babies. And Seth said, Dad, I want a bunch more for my birthday. Can you get me some for my birthday? And I said, well, I'll think about it. And I am thinking about it. I think we'll be able to manage maybe 4 or 6 more chicks. Don't tell him that, but anyway, this is our new place, guys. We're gonna be busy moving in. We won't totally be moved in until probably the 1st of October. I gotta put some gutters on here, and I'll try to bring you a little bit of action of that. And we got a pipe that's clogged, so we got to find out where that clog is. And also, that flag there is our well, and we have coliforms, so we have to figure out a cure for that. I found a booth at the fair, and they do systems that are filtration systems and UV systems and stuff like that. And I don't know if the investment is too much or not, but we'll see if we can maybe get something that's a little bit more permanent, because I've heard that chlorine doesn't always knock out coliforms. Anyway, I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the view of our new place. We got some pretty flowers here. Those ones over there. Got some over here. We don't have a garden yet, but I am thinking that we might. This thing has a hole in the roof. See, this thing's got a hole in the roof, and I was thinking maybe we could get a different tarp and turn this into a greenhouse. Anyway, thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.